Good afternoon, everyone. Today, my group and I, Brianna Adamaris and Rosalinda, are presenting Cancer by Numbers Understanding Its Impact. Cancer is a huge public issue that touches almost every family in some way, so knowing the facts really matters. Why is this topic important? In the United States, cancer is one of the top two leading causes of death. From 2003 to 2022, there's been more than 36.7 million new cases of cancer reported. The number of cases keeps going up not because cancer is spreading faster, but because our population is growing and aging. The cancer risk increases as people get older. This is why awareness and prevention are so crucial. Incidence and mortality rates. We all look at all cancer types combined and the age adjusted incident rates at about 445.8 cases per 100,000 people each year. The death rate is about 145.4 per 100,000 people. This means about 4 out of 10 men and women in the United States will be diagnosed with cancer at some point of their lives. These numbers show how common this disease really is. Differences by gender and ethnicity. Cancer doesn't affect everyone equally. Men have higher rates of both getting cancer and dying from it. For example, men have the indecency rate of about 483 cases per 100,000 compared to the 421 for women. Death rates show a similar pattern, about 171 deaths per 100,000 men versus 126 for women. Rate and ethnicity matters too. Non-Hispanic black men have more of the highest indecency and mortality rates, while non-Mexican white women have the slightly higher indecency compared to other female groups. This different highlights the need for equal access to screening and health care for everyone. Most common cancer types. When we break cancer down by types, some stand out. From 2025, the top 5 in the United States are expected to be breast cancer women with about 317,000 cases, prostate cancer in men with about 314,000 cases, lung cancer with about 227,000 cases, colorectal cancer with about 154 cases, and melanoma of the skin with about 105,000 cases. Of this, cancer causes the most deaths, over 124,000 each year. Impact beyond numbers. Cancer isn't just about statistics, but it affects families emotionally and financially. In 2022, there's been over 18 million cancer survivors living in the United States, which is encouraging. The good news is while incident rates have only slightly declined in the past 20 years, death rates have dropped by about 27%, thanks to better treatments, early detection, and lifestyle changes like reducing smoking. Why awareness matters. Early detection can save lives. Many cancers like breast, colorectal, and prostate have very high survival rates when caught early. Some cancers, such as lung cancer, are even starting to decrease in new cases becoming as public health efforts to reduce smoking. But not everyone has the equal access to screening, which is why awareness and education are so important. Call to action. So what can we do? Get regular screening such as mammograms, colonoscopies, and PSA tests when recommended. Support healthy habits, don't smoke, eat a balanced diet, exercise, and protect your skin from the sun. You can scan the QR code on our last slide to visit trusted resources like the American Cancer Society or the CDC for screening guidelines and when to get involved. Knowledge truly is power when it comes to fighting for cancer. Thank you for listening. Remember, cancer affects all of us in some way, but early action and awareness can make a real difference.